Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the watch and opening the watch app on your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the phone and keep both devices close together. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once the Apple logo shows on the watch, press the side button to reach the language and pairing screen. The watch app should display an option to start pairing. Tap it now. This initiates the secure handshake between devices, which is why proximity and Bluetooth matter. Once you tap Start Pairing, choose the camera method for speed. The app opens a viewfinder. Position your iPhone so the animated cloud of blue and green appears centered on screen. The app reads the pattern and confirms the match. This step exchanges encrypted pairing info automatically, which is why the animation must be visible and steady. If the camera can't read the animation, don't panic, switch to manual pairing, and enter the 6-digit code shown on the watch face to complete the link. After the visual pairing confirms, follow the on-screen setup. Sign into your Apple ID, choose wrist preference, enable features like location services and Siri, and set a passcode if you want security. Make sure you allow the initial data sync to complete before using apps. This can take several minutes. Once done, test notifications and open an app to verify connectivity. If pairing fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the Apple Watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.